Don't let those overripe bananas go to waste. This clever recipe transforms them into soft, chewy oatmeal cookies with a rich banana flavor. It's a fantastic way to reduce food waste and enjoy a guilt-free treat. Hey everyone, it's John from Bloggin Good Food. To make these cookies, you will need the following tools: a large mixing bowl, a fork, a baking sheet, parchment paper or cooking spray, an oven. And these are the ingredients we'll need: 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of rolled oats, a pinch of salt. That's it. Now let's get started. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line your baking sheet with parchment paper or spray it with cooking spray. Step 2. Peel and mash your bananas with a fork in a large mixing bowl until smooth. Step 3. Add the oats and salt and mix well. You can also add any optional toppings at this point, such as chocolate chips, nuts, or dried fruits. Just make sure they are finely chopped and not too heavy, or they might make your cookies fall apart. Step 4. Scoop out about a tablespoon of the batter and drop it onto the prepared baking sheet. Flatten it slightly with your finger or the back of the spoon. Repeat with the rest of the batter, leaving some space between the cookies. Step 5. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden and firm around the edges. Step 6. Let the cookies cool slightly on the baking sheet before transferring them into a wire rack or a plate. And that's it. You have just made 3 ingredients banana oatmeal cookies. You can store them in an airtight container for up to a week or freeze them for up to a month. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more kitchenware reviews and cooking hacks. Also, don't forget to check out our blogginggoodfood.com for more recipes and tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time on Blogging Good Food.